how to disable music in honor of kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the background music. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Now here we are in the settings interface. Here on the left hand side, there are different options. Simply tap on sound. So these are the sound settings. Here if you slowly scroll down, there's an option called lobby music. So you can directly turn it off or either adjust it accordingly. Here on the right, you can even see a slider. So if you don't want any music, you can completely keep it to 0 or you can reduce the music too. So if you go back, it has been seen. Now you won't have any disturbance and you can play the game freely. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.